Hi guys, today we have the Beach Rescue ATV. It has 79 pieces and its code is 60286. It has a car, a small trailer and this boat, one minifigure and a shark. Here's the back. And there are no stickers, so that means that these two pieces are printed. And let's see the set. So here are the instructions. Here in the back we have the pieces, some sets, and here's the finished set. So here we have it. There's one minifigure with this lifeguard vest. Here's a shark. We can open its mouth. Here's the trailer, the boat, and the car. We can open it like this, and we can put the man inside it. The boat can be put over there, and we can attach it. The shark. I like it. It's quite a small set, but I think it's worth it price. It's quite good. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Goodbye.